Soundbar. The demand of soundbar has gone up drastically as this is the way to go because of the price, portability, no cable management, no calibration is required. Best part is it is plug and play setup. So I decided to make this video for you. If I had to suggest or recommend top 5 soundbar in a range of 10,000 to 80,000, then what all the choices one can have. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samijit and in this video I'm gonna help you to identify top 5 soundbars. I'm glad to tell you that I am so thrilled to get responses from your end. Sorry for a delay in making this video. Actually, I'm extremely tied up with my job these days. If you are here for the first time, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel to grow this family up by 3-folds this week. Many of us may have purchased a big size TV. However, due to TV's sound quality, you are not satisfied and looking for a sound bar or a home theater to get theater-like experience at home. I have made a couple of videos on top 5 home theater under 30,000 and 50,000. If you want to watch those videos, you may click on I button. Now the big question is, which one is better to buy, a home theater or a soundbar? I have made a separate video to explain which is better. You may also check that out as well before making a purchase decision. In this video, I have picked up top 5 soundbars to choose from, which are not only make your home into a theater, but also you can enjoy listening to music as well. So one invest can solve both the needs. So the first soundbar in my list is Yamaha YAS209. This is a stylish 2.1 soundbar with wireless subwoofer which supports Alexa voice command. Please note, HDMI cable does not come along with the box. Instead, it comes with optical cable, so you need to buy a HDMI cable separately. Pairing up the soundbar and subwoofer is very easy. Once paired, a green light illuminates at the back of the subwoofer. Benefit of having a wireless subwoofer is that you can place the subwoofer wherever you feel like and it sounds the best, and you do not need to worry about cable management. You can also control your soundbar using Soundbar Controller app from Play Store. It's a plug and play soundbar, but still I would recommend you to check for any software update before using it. Latest software upgrade would definitely increase the performance of this device. It supports DTS, Dolby Pro Logic 2, Dolby Digital, Dolby Surround audio formats, Virtual-X to enable kind of 3D effect. It supports HDR10, HLG and 3D pass-through from HDMI ports. As far as connectivity is concerned, it has one HDMI in, one HDMI out with ARC, Bluetooth version 4.2, Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz, one optical port, one LAN port and built-in Alexa to control the device. Since Yamaha store is there almost in metro cities, you can listen to the product once before buying it. Next up is JBL Bar 5.1. JBL went all out with its flagship combinational home theater system without any compromise in quality. With 5.1 channel 4K soundbar home theater system, you can truly immerse into uninterruptible audio trance. Total output of this sound system is 510 watts. Its powerful 10-inch bass module is bound to the system, which would keep your heart thumping. A revolutionary JBL sound shift technology lets you seamlessly switch audio between your mobile, tablet and television. Truly wireless detachable speaker gives you whopping 10 hours of playback, easy setup and connectivity. Full 4K compatibility and compact design makes JBL surround system right on top over the competition. In the box, you get a soundbar, wireless soundbar, 2 wireless surround speakers, remote with batteries, HDMI cable, aux cable, optical cable, calibration microphone and wall mount brackets. If I talk about the connectivity option, it has 3 HDMI input, 1 HDMI ARC out, HDMI SDPC version 2.2. Next up is Samsung 5.1 T670 soundbar. It has metal finished look with 2 wireless rear speakers and 6.5-inch wireless bass module. And it comes with a wireless console as well to boost up signal strength. Since it has a center channel, therefore in terms of dialogue clarity while watching movies is superb. You can buy this soundbar by spending 30,000 rupees. This soundbar supports DTS, Virtual-X, DTS Surround and Dolby Digital formats. The total output of the soundbar is 480 RMS. It has Bluetooth connectivity as well. If I talk about the connectivity, it comes with one HDMI in, one HDMI out with ARC, one optical in and one USB port. My overall experience with this soundbar is fine. In terms of clarity, there is no doubt about, but the subwoofer could have been better. The bass is not that strong and punchy. Next up is Polk Audio Magnify Max SR. Is a 5.1 setup and comes with wireless surround speakers. The soundbar supports Chromecast built-in and comes with an HDMI cable, optical cable in the box. The soundbar comes with a compact, easy-to-use remote control. The soundbar also supports Wi-Fi connectivity. The soundbar has 3 HDMI pass-through ports that support Dolby Vision. This Magnify series comes with 3 models: Magnify Mini, Magnify Max and Magnify Max SR. The prices are around 30,000, 50,000 and 70,000 respectively. The speaker for Magnify Max SR is designed in such a way so that it would not only enhances TV's weak sound quality but also produces surround sound effect. To keep the installation easy, it comes with one wireless subwoofer and 2 wireless surround speakers. It supports Dolby Audio and DTS audio formats. Due to voice adjust technology and center channel on the soundbar produces a crisp and clear dialogue and vocal delivery. The 8-inch subwoofer driver is capable of delivering a punchy deep bass. Polk Audio's smart remote can be used to operate your TV. The smart remote can be programmed to learn other brand TV's remote as well. As far as ports are concerned, it has one optical, one 3.5mm headphone jack, 3 HDMI in and 1 HDMI ARC out, Bluetooth, Google Chromecast, Ethernet port for streaming online music. The final product in my recommendation is Klipsch Bar 48. It comes with a soundbar and a subwoofer in the box, but if you want, you can connect a second subwoofer to the system or rear surround speaker for an immersive experience. The ports are available for you. Klipsch reference is known for its premium home theater setup. Their products are not only good looking, also becomes the first preference for any person to have Klipsch speaker setup. Let's have a look on the soundbar. It has HDMI ARC support to connect your TV along with support for Bluetooth, 3.5mm aux and optical port. The soundbar by itself is a 3.1 system. It comes with a backlit wireless remote control in the box with an 8-inch down-firing subwoofer makes a room feeling a thumping bass. I like the way they have kept the option open for the buyers to add additional speakers and additional subwoofer. I have hardly seen any brand has thought about it. That's about it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give it a like. Subscribe to my channel to make this family bigger, and also comment for any suggestion so that I can come back with the videos you actually want to see. Till then, take care.